meteorologist Sarah Gannon.
We have seen some beautiful conditions here yesterday, today, really the last couple of days, fabulous. Unfortunately, that is changing and coming to an end. Back to more spring, even some winter-like conditions on the way heading into the midweek. We may see a chance for a couple spotty storms tomorrow during that morning commute closer to the Rochester area, I-90 region here in the area. But otherwise, big focus is going to be for the midweek. Wednesday night into Thursday morning, winter weather returning, some rain, some snow, some icing may be possible as well. So as you know, temperatures will be much cooler here this week. We are taking a break from those 70s and those 80s, kind of back to more springtime reality here for the region. Future track radar showing some very quiet skies for us here locally. Down to our south there, I-80 corridor towards Des Moines, seeing some strong to severe thunderstorms in that direction. Most of that severe activity should stay just south of our viewing area, but heading into tomorrow morning, we may have to watch out for a couple rumbles of thunder, maybe a few quick downbursts towards Rochester area, towards Winona as well, heading into tomorrow morning. About 5, 6, 7 a.m. High temperatures by the afternoon will be in those low to mid 50s. So looking quieter here for Tuesday. Then we bring in this next big thing, and that's that system on the way Wednesday night into Thursday. First alert days are in place as we track the potential for that rain, snow, ice, all precip types possible here with this system. So we're expecting to see some slick travel possible Thursday morning. Now is kind of that time to prepare and get ready for that. Maybe make some adjustments to those morning plans if you're able to come Thursday morning. Let's take a look at some of that timing initially here. Again, this could shift slightly with that storm track, as that storm track may wiggle around a little bit. But at this point in time, we could be looking at Wednesday afternoon, seeing a rain snow mix initially here with this system. We'll see a change over to some snow for a period of time. Big focus is going to be for the late night Wednesday into Thursday morning, where that icing potential is possible with that freezing rain. That ice accumulation is where we could be looking at possibly upwards of a trace to maybe a quarter of an inch of ice on the high side. So keeping a very close eye on that morning commute, and that's why we have that concern for travel come Thursday morning. So again, if you're able to make some adjustments, kind of make a plan in case things are bad, now is the time to do that. But the good news is we will see a gradual change back over to rain come late morning Thursday. But again, Wednesday night into Thursday could be very, very tricky, hazardous at times, given those icy conditions should that form. Temperature profiles will play a big role in what type of precip we do or do not see. But based on the current forecast models, greater chance for snow accumulation towards the Twin Cities metro and further north, midsection here of southern Minnesota and into far north Iowa. Greater chance to see that wintry mix, that icing possible. Highway 18 corridor there in North Iowa and to the south has a greater chance of seeing rainfall as that dominant precip type. However, there is a chunk of the viewing area that we have lower confidence on that exact precip type, again, because that storm track may wiggle and that icing, how much rain, how much snow potentially impacts where we could be looking at that exactly. So still some fine tuning to happen here with this forecast. But big takeaway, I should say, is those first alert days ahead, Wednesday and Thursday. This is a very messy system, very spring-like about it, because we could be looking at all types of precip, and by the weekend, maybe another chance for a little moisture come Saturday.
Well, we know you'll be keeping a close eye on it,
yes,
as you can fine-tune it as it gets closer. So thank you, Sarah. We appreciate it.